is up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how to set up your Facebook Ad Manager columns so that way you know how to read your data properly. So it's a pretty simple setup. We're going to get right into it. So you want to make sure that you're here on the campaign tab, and first we're going to actually go to where it says columns, column performance, and we're going to scroll down to where it says customize columns. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is add our own custom columns, okay? So we're going to go right over to our custom columns list, and we're going to add 3 columns. That is going to be called the hook rate, the hold rate, and the conversion rate, just to help us get even more data out of our ad managers. So we're going to hit create custom metric. The first one that we're going to do is going to be the hook rate. So we're going to name this hook rate. All right. The format we're going to change to percentage. All right, so for the actual metric for the hook rate, this is going to be 3-second video plays. So type in 3-second video plays. All right, this one right here, 3-second video plays. You're gonna hit divided by impressions. So you're gonna type in impressions. It's this first one here. All right, now you have that selected. Now you're gonna simply change this, who can access this, from only you to everyone with access to this business. And then we're gonna hit create and add another. All right, so that was the hook rate. So now we're gonna add the hold rate. So next thing we're gonna do is type in the name, hold rate. Again, format, we're gonna change this to say percentage. All right, for the hold rate, the metric is going to be ThruPlays divided by impressions. All right, ThruPlays divided by impressions. Then we're gonna change this to say only you to everyone with access. And then we're gonna hit create and add another. Now this last one is going to be conversion rate. So I'm gonna type in CVR, parentheses, conversion rate. Again, format, we would change this to say percentage. And the metric for this one is going to be purchases divided by landing page views. Purchases divided by landing page views. Lastly, we'll change this to say everyone with access. And that's it. We're gonna hit create metric. All right, once that has been created, you should have all these metrics here. Go ahead and refresh your screen. You may have to open this back up again, but let's refresh. All right, so we're gonna go back to, don't worry about this. We're gonna go back to performance, customize columns. And we're gonna go to custom. And as you can see, all 3 metrics are now here. All right, so now we're gonna actually put in the rest of our columns for Facebook. So we'll go back to key metrics, and we are going to start off on this right tab. So as you can see, it says 18 columns selected. We're actually gonna go ahead and delete every single column here. Just remove them all. There we go. Now we'll start off fresh. We're gonna start with name. All right, we're gonna type in campaign name and then ad set name. Next, we will do budget. All right. Next, we're actually gonna do last significant edit. We can even move that actually above budget. There we go. Next, we're going to do delivery. All right. Once we have that, we are going to select reach. Next, we're going to do impressions. After that, we're going to do video average playtime. Then we're going to do hook rate. Next, we're going to do hold rate. After that, we're going to do content views. Total content views. We're going to uncheck those boxes, only do total content views. Next, we're going to do link clicks. Once we have that, we're gonna do CPC. We're gonna do cost per link click, CPC. Then we're gonna do CTR, link click through rate, link click through rate. Then we're gonna do CPM, CPM. All right, so once we have those in there, the next thing we're gonna add in is frequency. Frequency, and then we're gonna do amount spent, amount spent. After amount spent, we got add to cart, add to cart. So we're gonna do total add to cart, and we're going to do cost per add to cart. Deselect the boxes. Next, we're gonna do checkout, same exact thing. We're gonna do total checkouts and cost per checkout. Next, we're going to do purchase, total purchases, and we're also going to do cost purchases, all right? Keep the purchase selected. Next, we're gonna do purchase ROAS, Next, we're going to do purchase value, so all of these. And then lastly, we're gonna do conversion rate, so CVR. Conversion rate. You can move this freely if you decide. However, all of our columns should be selected. Mine says 27 total columns. However, yours may say 27, or it may say a little bit less or more depending on if Facebook updates at a given time. But from here, we're gonna hit save as column preset, and we're gonna give it a name. We're gonna give it EFA columns. Save, hit save. All right, it says you edited 29 columns and saved the preset, EFA columns. So we should be all good to go here. As you can see now, once I go over to columns, I'm gonna select columns and I'm gonna hit EFA. It should have all of the columns that I just added here: link clicks, CPCs, CPMs, frequencies, amount spent, added carts, checkouts, conversion rate, every single column that we just added. Now we're gonna be able to fully read our metrics with clarity and really make data-driven decisions when it comes to running our Facebook ad campaigns. Hope this helps. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Peace out, stay safe. See you guys in the next one.